So here we have my old phone Poco X3, and basically the battery doesn't hold uh, power anymore. Basically it's still usable, but I need to charge it like 3 or 4 times a day. Probably the battery life is like at about 30 or 40%. So I was thinking to replace the battery, and here is what I found, what battery I actually need. By the way, the phone still works pretty good. It's pretty fast, even in 2026. So here is what batteries we need. So basically this is the official battery, and it's called service pack. So if the battery is stating that is called service pack, then it's official from Xiaomi, and you need this code BN57. That's the model, the battery model for this phone, BN57. So usually this goes for around $25, the official battery from Xiaomi. And here we have also cheaper ones which are not official. As you can see, it's compatible with Poco X3 and X3 Pro. And as you can see, it's BN57. So all have the same code, BN57. So these are two models, but they are pretty similar. So which one to get? I would definitely recommend you to get only the service pack model, because I had some bad experiences with aftermarket batteries in the past. Basically they work, but after like a year they will just puff out, and they will just increase their size, and pretty much they will break the case, break the screen, come out from the screen, and just ruin the phone. So I would recommend you to just get the original battery from Xiaomi, the service pack one. And if you're lucky, the phone will just hold for like 2 or 3 years after it becomes completely outdated, because this is like a phone that was released I think in 2021, so it's like 5 years old. It still holds up because it was a really good phone, and it's still quite usable. But if you want like a phone for daily use, you might consider just getting a new mid-range phone, because this one is somehow outdated. There is like a big difference uh, regarding the performance between a new phone and the Poco X3. However, if you just want the cheapest thing to do, just get the battery for like 25 bucks. And if you go to a repair shop, they will probably charge you also about 20 bucks to just replace the battery. If you don't know what you're doing, I would advise you to not try to replace the battery, because this phone is quite well sealed and it will be quite a struggle to just open it up and replace the battery. You might do some damage. So this is the battery that you need for Poco X3. So I hope that you found the video useful. If you did, please subscribe, and thank you for watching.